or you can do it our way. I'm not saying this is better, it's the way that we chose to do it. Hey, welcome to GT Canada. Today I got another quick video for you, how to access the fuel pump on a Pontiac Bonneville. Our fuel pump was kind of intermittent, it was coming on and off. There's two ways to do this job, the right way and the way that we did it. So the right way to do it would be to drain the gas out of the fuel tank, as much as you can at least, and then there's two straps on the fuel tank. You would want to pull both of these straps off, drop the fuel tank, which would require taking the rubber connector that connects the filler neck to the fuel tank, dropping it down, and then you can access it through the top that way. Or you can do it our way. Now our way, I'm not saying this is better, it's the way that we chose to do it. Before we diagnosed the fuel pump, we thought the car was just out of gas, that the fuel gauge wasn't working. Fix that, we filled the tank up all the way, it ran for a bit and then it died. So we knew that something else was going on. So the fix we decided was pull the seat out and then use a grinder and cut away an access flap in the space underneath where the seat is, roughly in line with where the fuel pump should be, so that we can just pop it out that way. When we did that, we found out that there's actually 3 rigid or hard fuel lines, and those fuel lines go from the pump, from the filler neck. One of them is a return line way all the way up at the engine. So there's 3 rigid lines. Now those go all the way to the passenger side of the car, and then they do a 90, and then that's where the clips are. So it's a little bit tight, and what you want to be careful of is that you don't nick those lines while you're chopping the metal away to be able to access it. If you do nick it, you might end up lighting yourself on fire or blowing the car up. So you want to definitely be careful of that. What we did though, we just cut that flap in there, folded it up, and then we were able to reach our hands down that cavity, undo the connectors on the fuel pump, and get the old fuel pump out. What we were not able to do though was to get the pump out all the way because those lines were so long. So we ended up actually dropping that side of the tank to give us a little bit more access, just to get the lines and everything all how we needed it. Maybe this is more of a don't do this how to and do it the right way. So our shortcut way didn't end up being much of a shortcut. It was fun and it makes for a great video. Maybe you can see how dumb we actually are. But I decided to throw it up here because I thought you guys would find it interesting. Do it the way we did if you want, or do it the right way. The choice is always yours. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and watch some of these other videos that we've got. There's lots of great content here. Some valuable, some maybe not so valuable, like this how to. Hope to see you again and watch our next video.